Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you another manicure video. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I'll come in with my file and file my nails. I'll file the surface and the edges as well. I'll get my nail glue. They're my fake nails, come in with a little bit of the nail glue and stick it onto my natural nails. I'll push it into the cuticle area to give it that very natural look. After which I'll file off that pointy tip and file the surface as well. I'll be using some glitter and I'll use this one in the color Cyan. I got this from AliExpress. I'll get my top coat and give my nails one coat each. I'll not cure it, I'll leave it wet, and with the help of a spatula, I'll just pour the glitter onto my nails. After which I'll cure the nails. Dust off any excess glitter, and I'll seal the glitter with a glossy top coat. I'll give it two coats because I'm going for a very glossy finish. Okay, so here we are, we're done now. Let me know, do you like the color? Do you like the glitter? If you do, give this a try. Let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye.